Hey everybody, how you doing? Mr. Bookman here, and I will be reading Bunny's Easter Egg by Anne Mortimer. Please enjoy. Bunny's Easter Egg. It was early Easter morning. Bunny was very tired. All night she had been hiding eggs for the Easter egg hunt. There was just one plain egg left to hide. Bunny was far too tired to hide the last egg. So with a hop, a skip, and a jump, she brought the egg into her basket and closed her eyes. Suddenly she heard a crackling sound. Something moved and bumped, and Bunny leaped out of the basket. "Oh no," cried Bunny, "I can't sleep here. It's far too busy." With a hop, skip, and a jump, Bunny landed in the hollow of an old oak tree. She curled her ears, twitched her nose, and closed her eyes. Some young birds sang very loudly. "Cheep, cheep, chirp, chirp," went the birds. "Oh no," cried Bunny, "I can't sleep here. It's far too noisy." Bunny leaped out of the hollow and, with a hop, skip, and a jump, headed for the golden shed. She jumped into the wheelbarrow and curled her ears, twitched her nose, and closed her eyes. A hedgehog woke her up. "Pickle, pickle, pickle," went the hedgehog. "Oh no," cried Bunny, "I can't sleep here. It's too painful." Oh, prickle, prickle, prickle. With a hop, skip, and a jump, Bunny found herself in the garden. There she discovered an old pot. Bunny crawled in, burrowed deep down to sleep. She curled her ears, twitched her nose, and closed her eyes. Some mice woke her up. "Squeak, squeak, squeak," went the mice. "Oh no," cried Bunny, "I can't sleep here. It's too squeaky." With a hop, skip, and a jump, she ran to the flower garden and burrowed into a warm, soft patch of grass. She curled her ears, twitched her nose, and closed her eyes. A mole woke her up. "Push, push, prod," went the mole. "Oh no," cried Bunny, "I can't sleep here. It's too lumpy. It's far too lumpy." With a hop, skip, and a jump, Bunny leaped into a boat on the lily pad. She curled her ears, twitched her nose, and closed her eyes. Two ducks and a frog woke her up. Quack, quack, went the ducks. Croak, 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 went the frog. Oh no, cried Bunny, I can't sleep here. It's too far too wet. With a hop, skip, and a jump, Bunny went into the greenhouse. She found a deep seed tray to burrow into. She curled her ears, twitched her nose, and closed her eyes. Two kittens pounced on top of her. Meow, purr. Meow, went the kittens. Oh no, cried Bunny, I can't sleep here. They won't leave me alone. She headed back to where she had begun. Wearily, Bunny found her favorite basket. The plain egg was nowhere to be seen. Bunny burrowed down among the sweet scent flowers. She curled her ears, twitched her nose, and closed her eyes. She murmured. At least this is perfect, thought Bunny. Bunny didn't sleep for long. The plain egg had hatched, and Bunny had a new friend who wasn't noisy, prickly, lumpy, or pesky. Happy Easter, Bunny. She had a duck friend. Wasn't that cute? That was in that egg. That little yellowing duck. Well, everybody, I hope all of you enjoyed this Easter book reading. And if you did, can you give it a big thumbs up? Smash that thumbs up button. Can you do that for me? If you're new and you came along this book reading, can you hit that red subscribe button down below and subscribe to my channel and check out my other book readings I got? I got plenty, so feel free to check them out. Also, hit that notification bell. Whenever I upload, you'll be notified. But until my next book reading, they call me Mr.Bookman. And this book reading is over. Have a good one, and take care. And I want to wish all of you out there a happy Easter.